Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on creating fleets on Twitter. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Fleets are a new feature on Twitter. You can post video, photos or text and they last 24 hours. After 24 hours they will be automatically deleted. Fleets are similar to Instagram and Snapchat stories. Text and image-based fleets last about 6 seconds each. Videos in fleets can be 30 seconds long, but you can take multiple videos and add them to fleets, and they will play in order. Fleets have chapters at the top of the fleet similar to on Instagram, so each fleet will be a chapter. You will find the Fleets section at the top of the Twitter homepage. Each circle is a fleet. To create a fleet, tap on the circle with your profile image that says Add. Here you have lots of different options. You can create fleets that are just text or create image fleets or video fleets. To create a fleet that is just text, tap text at the bottom of the screen and then type whatever you would like to say. You can change the color of your text by tapping the colorful circle and then selecting a color. You can make your text bold by tapping the B. You can make your text have a background color by tapping the circle with the lines in, and then you can choose the color. Tap Done when you are finished editing your text. You can move your text around, pinch it to make it bigger or smaller, and add a new text box by tapping the AA button from the bottom left. You can change the background color of the fleet by tapping the circle in the bottom left corner. Tap on Fleet in the top right to post your fleet. If you want to delete your fleet, open it from the top Fleets section and then tap on the drop-down arrow in the top right. Then tap Delete. Tap Camera Roll at the bottom to create a fleet from an image in your camera roll. You could just post the image, or you could choose to add text over it. Tap the AA button to add text. You now have all of the same text options as you do with adding a text-based fleet. You can also add a video from your camera roll. You can only post 30-second videos though, so if it is longer than 30 seconds you will have to slide the selected 30 seconds to wherever in the video you would like to be selected. You can also choose to trim your video to less than 30 seconds here by pulling the edges of the clip in. Tap Trim in the top right corner when you have chosen the section of your video. You now have the same text options as before. You can choose to mute the video in the bottom right corner. To take a live photo for a fleet, tap on Capture at the bottom of the fleet's screen. Then take your photo. Again, you have the same text options at the bottom of the page. To take a video for a fleet, tap on Video at the bottom of the page, and then tap the Record button to record your video. You can video as long as 30 seconds, but if you want a longer video, you could just keep making videos and posting the fleets. They will play in order for your followers when they tap on your fleet. You have all of the same text options as before. You can also just tap anywhere on the screen to get to the text options. If you open your posted fleet in the bottom left corner, you will be able to see who has seen your fleet. This will only be visible to you. If you would like to add to your fleet, you can open it and tap Add. They will play as chapters in order of when you posted them. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Twitter tips and tricks.